All right, so yeah, we're back. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do today. Let me turn on my video camera. There we go. Get this out of the way. Uh, Looks like I might be frozen there. I guarantee you in real life I'm not frozen like that. What the fuck? I think my camera got unplugged. Hopefully it'll sync back up. There we go. There I am. Nice. Perfect. Not that it's even relevant in any way to the current thing we're doing, but you know. All right. So, what the hell am I going to be doing today? I think I still have to finish the snail paths. I guess we'll take a look at what we did last time, which is put in this terminal. And let me just make sure. It looks like my levels are okay. I think so. And let me check restream real quick. Looks like I'm good. Yeah, okay, cool. Alright, so in here, I could start using the fryer. Let me check where that's at. So I could put these in, throw it in. I gotta change where it shows 10. It should only be 6 or whatever. But yeah, we can then pick up these fries. Does that block our input? No, it doesn't. Okay, cool. So we got fries, and then we also have this terminal that, so we got like some Megadeth lyrics here, and so it randomly like generates these, and we have to type them to match up. So I have to shorten these. I can't have them that long because it takes forever. But you can see here that we wrote some code that kind of... let me get a smaller one. So I exit out. If I go back to it, no, it's Aussie. We need like, oh shit. So I have a few. I'm loading those from a CSV is the issue, and we have a few blank spots in the CSV. So that's gonna happen every now and again. I might have to erase those. Where is my fucking CSV? I also have to let my cat out. Give me 1 second. Alright. Actually, it's a TXT. So, TXT. Okay, yeah, there's only one. Dumbass CSV.txt. Perfect. So, this is where I'm loading all my shit from, and I guess I have some null values in here which are causing some issues. But I have a better CSV sheet that I'm working on. I gotta get rid of all of these like ones that are too long, so I gotta get rid of that one. And then there's like this one, Johnny Cash lyrics, too long. Gotta get rid of it. All right, it's another Megadeth. Still too long on the Megadeth. We gotta get rid of the Ozzy lyrics. Welcome to the Jungle is fine. Let me take these. Control X and then Control V, and then these are images that I have like lined up, like they're just funny shit, like Fat Axl Rose, some Robot Chicken like scenes that are funny from my childhood. Then we'll grab some of these. Yeah, and then we got general, we got some quotes from like y'all NWAs don't even drink skooma, shit like that. You'll own nothing and you'll be happy. We got some World Economic Forum shit. Send out the clowns. We got aim in here if there's any Sector fans. I have no job and I must stream. I thought that was funny. But yeah, I'll have images for all these, so there's no point. I have a lot of these already loaded, but yeah, all I have to do is go here and download this as a comma separated value. And then I'll just, I'm going to open up my CSV holder in File Manager. And I'll delete the one that's there. And I'll just grab the new one from Downloads. And it's going to be named CSV, and I just have to rename it to what do you call it? TXT. Yeah, I'll show you here. I just, I'll double click. Whoops, not that. I'll slowly double click, and I'm just gonna do TXT, and then I'm gonna get rid of that because that's what I did last time too. So, might become unusable, whatever. But Godot won't read it if it's a CSV, so, whatever. And then we'll reload from the disk. So now we should be good. I'm also going to close that, and then if I reopen it, we should have new images and shit. And I shouldn't have any blanks. What am I doing? Okay, yeah, I gotta double click this. So I guess we'll see. Well, we do still have some blanks right here, but those might not be the issue. Let me go back to this real quick and take a look. So I actually do have a blank here. Shit. That's what I'll do. I'll just get rid of it in the CSV. Nice. So we can just get rid of that whole line and it won't affect anything. I don't think so. Oh, thanks. Yeah, we've done a lot of dumb stuff since you last saw, probably. But yeah. So let me try this now. I guess we'll load that up. These are shorter phrases, and we'll see if my code was as good as I thought it was. Alright, so where is our thing? Here, over here. And yeah, so oh shit. What happened there? I don't know. Let me try that again. I'm not sure what exactly happened. Because it looked like it went to load another one, but it's like it shouldn't be loading another one until I exit out. Maybe I hit something wrong. I just want to test our typing feature that I made yesterday, or Saturday, or whatever. Alright, so this will be to cut our potatoes. Damn, so yeah, we got some shit fucked up. What was it? What was our rand num? 38. So what would the 38th be? Let's come on down here. That's a quote from Andy Dick. So I guess we need an image. If we don't have an image, it's going to be a problem. So, yeah. Shit. Damn, I thought it would be okay. I guess we'll say, oh, can't we just check it? So damn, we can't even check it. I guess we could check the damn, I guess we could just leave that out for now and not have any images, or I have to get images right now, which would how can I just check this condition? Can I just check if that exists? You know, like if random.has, I guess we could say length, right? Because this is an array, so we'll say if length, or is it len? Yeah. So if our array has at least more than 2, if our length is more than 2, then we'll go here. And if not, we'll bypass it. And else say probably no picture. I think that should do it. Else, let me just print a little thing. Ain't got no picture. If this works, I'll be amazed. So, yeah, so we're getting the random thing of the entry, and then this is the line, so it would be like this line right here, and then this should be the first array, the first in the array, the second in the array, and the third in the array. So it's like, if if it doesn't have a, if it's not bigger than 2, if it's only 1, then it only has this first and there's no image, so it should just bypass the image altogether. But if it does have an image like this one here, it should select the 0, 1, 2, third position. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. We wrote a function Saturday to bring this in as a CSV. Sorry, I probably should have started with that. It just converts it to a dictionary, and then I loop through that dictionary to get whatever I need randomly. Alright, so there we go. And if I don't have an image, it just loads the picture of Snake from MSG3 or whatever. I mean, what is it? MGS3? I can't fucking talk today. I have no job, and I must stream. So yeah, we have an incorrect thing here, so we need to change that to an I. We're at 96, and yeah, I think this was an issue with spaces. So if we leave a space in, I just have to go back through our document and get rid of all of those, and maybe add like a period or something to make it more clear. But yeah, because that's kind of annoying right there. But yeah, now we should be able to hit the cut fries, and then that would cut our fries. It's going to exit us out of this, and yeah, so what do we need to do then? We need to open up that door. Let's go to 3D. Yeah, where's that shit? Nice. Yeah, so we have this thing, computer thing. It's got this animation player, and I'm going to get rid of all these animations that don't have anything to do with it. So we're going to go remove chew on tray. We're going to remove. Is this one in there? I don't think so. Remove. Eat from tray. Obviously, that's not part of the door opening. Animation remove. Animation remove. Fridge close. You're not a fridge. Fridge open. You are also not in fridge. Head bob. You are not a head. Idle on tray. You do not have to be on open. Alright, is this the one? Let me go back to it. Sorry. Computer thing. Animation. Okay, so it's the cutter. Awesome. So I'm going to remove. And remove. And remove. Move this one as well. Cool. These are the ones I want, and we'll grab that one and just go ahead and remove it too. Open. We got a swing open, so it swings open, and then a swing closed for once they grab the fries. So right now we're on the stay closed, which plays automatically. Cool. I just had to remind myself what we're doing here. I guess we'll start to add a script on here, really, because we don't even have a script on here. So yeah, we'll do the computer thing script. Nice. Let me grab another sparkling water real quick. All right. Nice. Okay. So, computer thing. We have to open and close. So we'll make a function. Open the gate. And yeah, we'll say animation player. Let me do an on ready animation player at on ready anim player equals, and we're just gonna get that animation player. Very surprising turn. Oh, on ready var. equals animation player. There we go. Thank you. Okay, we'll bring it on down. Yeah. So anim player dot play, and open the gate. I guess we'll say swing open cutter. And then what we want to do is we're going to take the animation player, go to node, go animation finished, and connect that to our where's it at? I think it's all the way down here. Connecting from our computer thing. Nice. So we'll then just put a match statement down here. Match anim anime name. No, anim name, and we'll have swing open cutter. Open cutter. Perfect. Nice. Now, once that happens, we're just going to say stay open, right? Yeah. Anim player dot play stay open cutter. Not really even sure if that's necessary, but that way it'll just stay open. So, what I can do now is what was the other one? Yeah, so we need to close the gate function. So we'll say func close the gate. There we go. And we'll go over here and say the same thing. Anim player dot play. And we'll play swing closed cutter, and then we'll grab this one and basically do the exact same thing down here. Control C, Control V, and stay closed cutter. There we go. And thank you, Godot. All right, nice. Cool. So we've got that taken care of. Now we just need to figure out when to call these. So we also need to spawn the French fries inside of it. So we'll say func spawn fries. Spawn cut potato. And yeah, we don't need an animation player for that, but we do need an onReady var. All right, so onReady var, we're going to put our cut potatoes here. Cut potatoes equals. No, we want to do a load. And we'll load a scene. I think we already have our cut potatoes. Yeah, potatoes cut.tscn. We'll load those in there. And those are the ones that you see hovering up over here. We just need to make them spawn in there. So that's what we'll do here. And then once we spawn them, we'll swing the gate open. So we'll just say p var p equals what is that, cut potatoes dot instantiate, and then we'll say add child. Should we add it as a child of ourselves? I guess we could. Why not? Add child p. So I'm not exactly sure where this is going to show up. Let's click on this, and so if we're right here, it's going to show up right over here at that location. So we need to make it show up over there. Let me add a I think I actually have this thing called a marker. I didn't know about this. These used to be positions, but I should have used these instead of just regular whatevers. But we'll grab this marker and we'll put it where we need to go, and then we'll see from there. So that's probably about where I want it, right there. So then let's get that transform. And I can either save this or I could get the position of this marker 3D. And I think I'm going to get the position of the marker 3D. That way we can just move that. So what I'll do is just say add child, and then I'll update the position. So we'll go p.position equals, and we'll get the marker 3D.position. So since they're both relative to the same parent, it should work fairly well for us there. And I don't know yet, because I want, it would be a lot to go through that like 4 times to fill up all these. So I'm thinking I'll probably do it in like sets of 4. So every time you use the terminal, it'll be 4 of them cut. Yeah, and I might just stack them on top of each other, or like do 1, 2, and then 1, 2. And then once all they're gone, then the door will close. So that might be the way to do it. But for now, I'm just going to instantiate the 1, and we'll make sure everything's working there. So spawn cut potatoes. After that's done, we're going to open the gate, revealing the delicious fries. So, cool. That sounds good right there. What do we need to do? We need to call this somehow from somewhere and something. So our player, that is where we have our terminal overlay, which is this thing right here. So this actually instantiates on our player. It's just a UI like anything else. So what we need to do is, do we have it in a group? I don't think so. I'm going to add it to a group. We'll go groups, and we'll call this terminal overlay. And we'll just add it there. And then when I'm in the script here, my computer thing script, I will go, I'll just call that group and tell it to do something, right? Yeah, what do I need to tell it to do? Oh, I need to tell it to go here and play this. So, what am I doing? Yeah. I think I have that backwards. I should be calling... I should still have that in a thing. But, yeah, let me go back to my scene, and I'll put my computer thing in a script. So I'll go here, and I'll say groups, and I'll say computer group, I guess. Computer... group, computer thing. There we go. Very nondescript. So now let me go back to the player. And, cool. So, once I press the fries, where is that connecting to? We have this cut fries button, the signals, so we don't have that connected to anything. So connect, and it's going to connect to the terminal overlay. So, for what we need to do is then put that function in here, spawn cut potatoes, and we need to put that in some quotes. We'll then say, we need to say get tree, dot call group. And the group is, man, what is the group? Oh, it's just playing the same fucking song over and over. Awesome. Nice. Hell yeah. Whatever. Spawn, cut potato. There we go. We don't need any arguments, and the group we need to call is, it's get tree dot call group, and the group was what? Computer thing? Yeah. Computer thing. Alright, that's looking pretty good. Computer thing, spawn, cut potato. Nice. So let's see if that works. On cut fries pressed, and it is disabled until we do this. Let's see. Change text color, prompt.text. Oh, we also need to, well, no, we're not going to have any new line characters because we're not doing any other things. We need to check the last line of every phrase to see if it's a period. Not a period, if it's a, not a comma. What are they? Just a space, a blank. How can I do that? Can I just do load random value prompt.text? Alright, so we get the text, we get the current phrase. Let's go to current. Current phrase equals current. Let's do this. If, I know we have some things for strings. Let me go to strings and we'll check. I think we have like rstrip and stuff, right? Yeah, just like Python. And replace. Oh, hey, Bunny Rabbit, how's it going? Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I made an October playlist and it's all over the fucking place, so it kind of sucks, but it's what we're doing. What do I want to do? We have a bunch of these. I was looking for one. Isn't there one to like check the very end or check begins with? Okay, yeah. Do we have like an ends with? Ends with. There we go. Returns true if the string ends with a given text. Cool. So I'm going to use both the begins with and ends with to check if it ends or begins with a space, so we can just filter that out real quick. Nice. I knew there was some shit in there. I just couldn't remember what it is. So if current phrase dot begins with, and I think we can just put a space in there. We'll just go current phrase equals current phrase, and then can't we do like 0 to current phrase dot length? Or len. I think I can do this. I guess not. Oh, I have to use substring. That's right. Current phrase dot sub str. I can't do it like a Python. And I think I have to do this. Yes. So, I think I can do -1. Let me actually look that up real quick, because -1 goes to the end, right? Where's it at? I don't see it. Substring. If len is -1, it returns the rest of the string starting from the given position. Awesome, perfect. So that's what I need. I need the rest of the string. Cool. So yeah, basically, if we start with a blank space, then we're going to just get rid of that, and then I'll do the same thing here. Cool. And it ends with, and in that case, can't I just do, we're going to do 0 here, and then we're going to get current phrase, just the length of it, because we just want the whole thing, -1, right? -1. Let me think that through. So if the word was substring, we have the length of it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would be, yeah, 6 minus 1 would be 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So -2, because we want to get rid of the last digit as well. So yeah, that would get rid of, you know, this hypothetical blank spot. I could be wrong on that, and we'll see if I am, but that sounds right to me. And then that only happens if we end with a blank. So, and And yeah, I think that should help us out a little bit. What else do we need to do? Let's just try that and see how it goes. Yeah, we got some like Midwest emo songs on here. That's pretty good. That reminds me of that Scooter breakup video, if anyone ever saw that. Oh man, we got a good one. We got Dagoth Ur. Alright. Come, moon, and star, come, nerevar. Okay, so what do we have wrong? Oh. There we go. So now we can cut the fries, right? Awesome. So we should exit by default, and I also have to get that off the screen, but our fries have spawned. We can then pick them up and throw them in the fryer. Cool. Awesome. So yeah, I guess we'll see how many fries we can pack in there. I guess we could probably pack in like 1, 2, 3, 4 sitting horizontally. I don't think that would be an issue, really. That would make sense. I mean, not really with how the cutter goes, but it doesn't really have to be that perfect. So I need to make it close after all those are gone. How am I gonna do that? I guess I could just make an area. Yeah. I don't know. I don't really want to add any more code to this thing. I could just easily add code to this and then make it tell it like when it's in here or not, but I don't really want to do that. So I could just make an area, and then when the body exits and it's no longer there, I could send a signal, and once it does it like 4 times, then I'll just say close your door because all the things are gone, and that would make it work, I think. I think that'll probably be the way I do it, so let's give that a shot. Cool. Let me go back to the 3D. I need to pack 4 fries in there real quick for science to see if it works. Let's go to the metal playlist and play some metal. This is the best metal they have to offer on Artlist. Okay, so we got this. Let's go to stay open cutter. And then we'll grab our, actually I think I have them right over here. Let's just make sure we can fit these in. Yeah, we can do 4 of these. If I just went like Control D. Perfect. Yeah, we could just do 4 like that. And there's no problem with that, so... yeah, I'm just going to delete these. And you know what? We could just add these to a group or something, and then have them queue free themselves. And what we'll do is duplicate this marker 3D. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So we'll duplicate those. And I might just have to spin this 90 degrees too. I think that's what I'm going to do, is use the rotation of these as well. So we'll spin this 90, and we'll spin all of them 90, and we'll use that rotation because we can, that'll just be easy. And I guess I'll make a loop and loop through it, and we'll add all of these to a group, and then I don't even have to make an area. I guess I'll just say when that group, I'll kind of do something there. I'm still thinking that one through, but let's just start doing it, and then it'll come to me in a dream or something. Cool. Yeah, so we got those. Let's go back to our script where we're loading in the computer. We got potatoes. Let's just do PA, PA, A, and A, and then we'll do the rotation as well. So I'm just going to grab that and paste it, and we'll go rotation. I'm going to use degrees because it makes more sense to me. Yeah. I don't really like the dreaded radians. Doesn't make any sense. Rotation degrees. Perfect. and I'll expand that out. I'm going to Control C, and we'll do it a few more times, and we'll just do a B. This looks very complicated, but it's actually like super stupid. Alright. And a D. Cool. Nice. Alright, there we go. And what is this? A C. Perfect. And a C. Perfect. And a C. There we go. And then we have to go, so we got this one, and then we're going to do, what is it, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 2, 3, and 4. So, we'll go 2, 3, 4, and 2, and 3, and 4. Nice. So, those should spawn in at the correct place now. And we'll open the gate. And I guess we could have done a for loop or something, but we could add all of these to a group as well. And I guess once they're added to a group, how do we want to deal with that? Yeah, I mean, we could... You know what, they're still a child of this, so once they queue free, we can just check if we still have it as a child, and then once all of those are gone, we will, we'll get rid of it. So, yeah, you know what I'm going to do is actually do this. I'm going to make a node 3D, and we'll call this the fry holder right here. And we'll instantiate those as a child of the fry holder. And we'll just keep a we'll keep a lookout on the amount of children in the fry holder. Fry holder. Sorry, I need a dollar sign right there. Fry holder. There we go. So we'll do that everywhere here. And try not to mess it up. There we go. Nice. So, we're going to add them all into here, and then we can always check how many children this has to see. So, when we take one of the fries, I guess we should emit something. Yeah, let's just do that. Let's go... we can actually just call the... we'll go get... tree get tree dot call group get tree dot call group, and the group will be what is it, computer thing? Yeah, computer thing. And then I'll say take fries, bam, right there. And right there. And let me grab this. So we'll go back to the scene A. We'll go back to our computer thing. And we'll just make a function right there. Func take fries. I could have just copied and pasted. Actually, I am going to copy and paste to make sure I got the right thing. Take fries. Awesome. And we'll say... we're going to make a fry count at onReady var fry count. We'll set it equal to 0. And then we'll say fry count minus equals 1. And of course we want to update the fry count whenever we make fries. So yeah, here we're going to say fry count equals 4. And every time we take a fry, we'll minus the fry count, and we'll say if fry count equals 0 is less than or equal to 0, just to cover our bases, we'll say close Close the gate. Just like that. Should be good. What's going on here? Oh, assignment. I have to put it on this side, right? There we go. Yeah, perfect. So, nice. Yeah, and then we'll also say fry count equals 0. Just in case fry count equals 0. That should work, right? Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna say so. Cool. That sounds good to me. Let's try it out. Right. So we'll go in here. You're blocking my son. So then we'll hit cut fries. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. Yeah, I gotta make that a little bit easier to see. Yeah, let's go to computer thing. I also gotta make that thing disappear. Let's go to, I've been using Godot for about like 7 years, I think. About now. Man, what was I doing? Oh, it's on the player, that's why. So this, where is it at? I need my exit. This button up here is the exit button. Where's it at? Oh, it's, oh fuck. I put it on the outside, that's why. This should be in here. Yeah, there we go. So let's just make that a little bit bigger. Let's make that like that big, and it's just a noise texture. So if I click on it and then I go to the texture, we can actually make that larger. It's just an X, but I need to actually make an X. So I just put this in here as a placeholder. But we'll make that a little bit bigger, and now it should disappear with that when we click on it. Alright, let's try that now. Alright. Cool. So, no one attacks me with impunity. There we go. And then we can cut the fries and exit out, and we have our fries there. So we'll start dropping them in. And then once that leaves, I guess that didn't work. But we can then grab these fries. They'll be ready. We can get an order ready here. Nice. We have this stuff over here that we can put in and defrost and start getting ready. So we put these in while it's defrosting. I haven't tried that yet. I guess that it's not going to work, but we can grab this and throw that there. So we have some cooked stuff here. We can grab our hot dog and cook it. We can grab this shit, start serving up the order. We can then place our bag on here, and so this is like showing us what we're missing from the order that was on the screen and everything like that. We're then going to have this claw grab the order and go up to the ceiling, but we would switch to a hammer and hit this bell first, and the bell animation is pretty bad. That's, there's really no getting around that. So, what I need to do. Cool, I need to get rid of these first, because we no longer need them. Actually, I will leave one over here just for testing purposes. We also need to make that tray. Yeah, we need to make that tray close. So let me just put this here. All right. Yeah, we'll go to the computer thing. So what was the issue? I guess we never called. Did we call this? Let's put a print in here. Print. We have taken one of the fries, my dude. I just realized who says that and where I got that from, and we're not going to use that. Alright. What do we need? Shit. I was laughing too hard at somebody. Alright, what do we need? Cool, that all looks good. That's right, the thing was not working correctly. The damn thing. So let's see if this prints or not. Because it should, because we are in that group and we're calling the group. If I did everything right. Let me go back to my fries and take a look. This is actually the wrong one. That's why. We need the cut potatoes. This is the actual fries that are like this. So I need the potatoes. There we go. And, oh, we don't have any thing on these. So that could be why. Let's put a script on them. We'll load it, and all we have to do is, we already had one loaded, I guess. Interact. Yeah, so we'll do that. And then if I go back to my player, well, I really could just do this. I could Control X on that. I could get rid of this script. I could go to my player. And since that's the only place the fries will be coming from is the terminal, I can just go to where I pick up the cut potatoes, right? And then I'll just call it every time, because every time I touch those cut potatoes, I'm basically going to be getting them from the computer. There's no other place they'd be coming from. So we'll just do that, and we don't have to add anything to the actual fries, to the cut potatoes thing here. So we don't even need that script. So cool. Don't save. There we go. The rare case where you don't want to save. Alright, let's try that now. Yeah. Alrighty. So we're back in it. We can hit this up. Help me, Leon. I wonder where that's from. Okay, so then we can cut the fries and exit out. And we have our fries. We'll go here. And we'll get them all, throw them out, and the door closed. Perfect. So now we have our fries ready for our orders. So, yeah. I like how that's going. We need to get our snail guys spawning in here. That'll be cool. Nice. I'm just thinking what else we gotta do. Okay, so I really have to fix this thing. Yeah, it's gotta be, like, better and stuff, because it sucks. Nice. It's a whole bunch of complicated ass code, and I really didn't like writing it, so we might have to correct all that. I think what I'm gonna do is have, because I have 4 slots here, I only have a way to display 1 burger right now. So I wanted a way to display like 4 burgers. So these might have to be a little bit smaller. Got to do 4 burgers per order, I guess, and then we'll have like fries up there on the side to show whether they want fries or not. And yeah, I guess then I'll probably make a CSV for the levels and say like what I want on each level, and or we could make it random. It really doesn't matter that much. Yeah, we'll probably make it random so it's different every time. That would make more sense. But yeah, right now I just have to. I'm gonna take a break real quick. I gotta use the bathroom and get some coffee. So yeah, we got a Bill Clinton quote. Depends. Oh yeah, let's try it again. What the... Oops. Depends. What the definition of is. Cut the fries. Nice. So yeah, we spawn the fries back, and I guess I can't put them in here. That's good. So if I take these fries, it'll overwrite the thing, and then uh-oh, that's not good. So I shouldn't be able to interact with these. I forgot to even check if we're holding fries. I forgot completely about that. So let's see. I can just put pretty much anything in here. That's pretty funny. Alright, so yeah, I'll be right back. I'm just going to leave this on the screen, and I'm going to put up a message real quick. Alright. Cool. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, I am coming back, I swear. I'm just, my coffee maker's being stupid, so. Let's see. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Should be like 2 more seconds. If after all that this thing overfills the cup, I wish you could see this. I'm gonna throw it to the fucking wall. Fuck this thing, dude. This thing was like $75. It's just a, it's the Cuisinarts like simplest, just Keurig maker. I'll bring up a picture of it when I get back. It's from Target. I want to warn people against this product. Alright, thank you anyone who stuck around. I'm sure that was pretty boring. I just have to... Oh shit, I left the fucking... I left the creamer on the counter. Alright, cool, awesome. Sorry, I was dying. Just fucking need some caffeine. But yeah, what are we doing here? That's right, we got these, so that's working correctly. We need to get our snail guy spawning in. We need to get this thing fixed. So I guess we'll see. First, to fix that thing, what are we gonna do? Let's take a look at what we have on our TV. Accuracy check, so that's a different screen. Let me get rid of that. Alright. Yeah, I can talk. I have a wireless headset, so I can like walk around my house and talk, so yeah. Cool. So current order, I'm gonna move that up just like this. It probably shouldn't be over the screen. That would make no sense, but whatever. Sprite holder, perfect. So we're basically just going to repeat this a few times. So all I need to do is just duplicate that, right? So I can just Control D here, and we'll have 4 of these. Yeah. So let me take a look. I might just have to put an image in one of them, in all of them, to see. So murder bun top. Make sure I put it all in the same spot. Nice. We'll put them all there. So I think I'll make 4 on the very bottom here. And we'll make it ascending order. So, you know, we got 3, and then we got 2, and we got 1. So we can bring that up to like about here, maybe a little less. Bring that one up just a little. Perfect. So we got that. We got to add another one of these, another sprite, for the fries. Let me see how this is coded. So we pass in the order list, and for the items in order list and for the nodes in sprite holder, we get the children. And if these names sync up with what's in the order, then we list it. So what I'm going to do is print the order list real quick and just take a look at what we have. Order, yeah, we'll call that order list, and we'll just print it, order list. Nice. Alright, let's go to the techno playlist and see what we got. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to print that. Let's see how it matches up. Stuff added, stuff missing. I'm going to hide these for right now. And let's hide some of the things on our snail man. So if I control F and I get print up in there. Yeah, I want to hide this because we acknowledge the fries and shit. Nice. Cool. And if I go to player, I'm sure I have some print statements I need to clean up here. Yeah, I'm going to hide this one. It's just not really relevant for what we're doing. Didn't I just do that? I guess there's another one. Oh, I did it on all 4 of these, that's why. Yeah, that would make sense. Cool, we'll leave that one there. That looks like it's pretty useful. You are dead. Okay, we'll keep that one. Control save. Awesome. I just didn't want to print out a whole bunch of shit when I don't need to. I'm going to hide that as well. Fry buckets. Let's hide this. Cool. Snail spray. Anything you're printing out? No. Nice. Scene A. Alright. Let's, what exactly am I trying to do? Alright, I want to see what's on here. Nice. That's what I'm doing. So... current order. Nice, so that loads in. It takes 3 seconds because I put a little await sign on it. So it looks like we got a bun, a hot dog, some cheese, some onion, some tomato. Let's see. Let me do this. Hamburger bun bottom, single rat dog cooked, tomato, onion, cheese, and hamburger bun top. Okay. So is that what we have? Tomato, onion, cheese, hamburger, and a rat dog. Tomato, onion, cheese, hamburger, and a rat dog. Yeah, it looks like it. So if we serve that, are we going to get what we want? So tomato, onion, cheese. Let's defrost a rat dog. I think it's broken. I can't remember it working correctly. I think I just got like some stuff working. Cool. So we get our hot dog. We got to cook it on up. And I made this bottle. I just haven't found a use for it yet. But yeah, and then we grab this hot dog. And yeah, we need this looks like a churro, but I assure you it's actually, oh shit, we don't need the hot dog bun. He wants his hot dog on a hamburger because he's an idiot. So we grab it. That looks correct. We then come over here and we hit E to interact. And so it says added items burger, which means we have a mistake somewhere. So let's see. Here is the item. Alright, we don't need that. Where do I say what I'm hitting? Let me go to my player. My camera swivel. I'm gonna get rid of some things here. Here we go. These are where all my print statements are coming from. Okay, so those two were the ones that were clogging up all this stuff right here. Current frozen item. Where are you coming from? Cool. Yeah. Let me go back to my scene. I think my sink is printing out some stuff. Sorry, it's probably pretty boring to watch me remove a bunch of print statements, but it's got to be done. Alright, so here we go. Cool, so I also need to print out our player. When we have our player, we have this, where's it at? Our inventory. So when we send out our inventory, alright, so where is the bag when we touch the altar? Control F, altar. So the food altar, we send our inventory, so I'm going to print the player's inventory here before we send it. Print, here is the player's inventory. Yeah, and then we'll say inventory. Okay, that should work. Maybe not work, but it should tell us some stuff. All right. So, what do we need to do? All right. He wants rat dog. We defrost it. We cook it up on them grails. We get his hamburger ready. We grab the rat dog. We then go over here and we get his onion, his tomato, and his cheese. That looks correct to me. We then send it to the food altar. So it says we're missing a burger, which means something's not coded right. But let's take a look. Alright, so where is my inventory? Here is the player's inventory. Hamburger bun top. So, order list. Okay, so I think I just have a problem with how I coded some stuff. So if I go back to my TV to check where I code shit, let me take a look. I think because hamburger bun contains the word hamburger, it's going to trigger that every time. Yeah, accuracy check. Display order accuracy check. Where am I checking the accuracy? It's probably a game manager function, right? Yeah, let's give it a look. Yeah, it's definitely in the game manager. Game manager. There we go. Compare lists. So, damn, that's not good. I guess I'll just have to name it something different. So let's see. I really should be using, like... let me take a look at what I am using. So if I go back to player, I'm basically adding these strings into our... what do you call it? Our... inventory, and I really should be using like some type of state or something, like a an enum. That would be the way to do it. Let's look up enums real quick. Do they have them in here? I'm not really familiar with them that much. Enumerations, or I guess maybe we don't have enumerations. Let me Google it real quick. Does Godot have enumerators? I think that's what they're called. Does Godot have enums? Yeah. Okay, so I guess you do it like this. This guy's got it here. So I guess that's an enum. It looks like a dictionary, but it's not. So I guess we just need to take all of our objects and put them in here. But you have to, I guess they're all, are those classes? Or, no, I get it. Okay, so I can put like 1 and 2 just as examples, and then I could be like character class .1 and character class .2. Okay. Awesome. I think that's what I want. So what are my choices? Let's go here and take a look. So I have them all basically listed on the TV. Let me go back to the TV. Because I'm going to know all the ones right here. I'm just going to give them better names. And we'll just sort that out right now. It's going to be really boring and not a lot of fun, but it's got to be done. So where's that? Where are we making that enum? Oh damn, there should be one script with a big fuck up on it. Alright, here we go. This is what I want. Control X. We'll go back to the game manager. And you're going to go right here and we'll say food items. Food items. And what are they? Alright, so we've got top, bun, yeah, top bun, bottom bun, bot, bun. That way we don't have to type so much. We're going to do onion, onion, lettuce, tomato. Actually, I'm going to do the breads first. So we'll do top bun, bottom bun, hot bun for hot dog bun. We got to do a... all right, then let's get the meat. We'll do patty. We'll do chicken patty. CHK, PY. Chicken patty. Nice. Hold on, let me open this up. Chicken patty. We'll do the BRG, PTY, the burger patty, and the all right, so we got chicken patty, burger patty, and the hot dog. So HD for hot dog. And that should be it for that. Now we need the condiments like onion. We need cheese. We need lettuce. Lettuce. And we need what? Lettuce, tomato. We don't have tomato. That's what we need. Tomato. Tomato. We're gonna spell it that way. How many does that give us? Let me separate these out. We'll just make sure the numbers match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Yeah. So there we go, and we're also gonna have to add one for fries. Fries. There we go. Cool. Now what do we gotta do? We have to... I'm going to rename some shit in here. We're gonna rename these, and we're gonna delete this, and delete that, and this one as well. And we're going to fix this one, and then we're going to edit it. So we'll just go, we go top bun, bot bun. Wait, sorry, that's not right. Control Z, that's our onion. So that one can stay named that way. Let me do this. Yeah, I could have done that, and this will be easier to read for me. All right, yeah, fun stuff here. Okay, so top bun, bot bun. So we need to go down here and change that. Bot bun. We need to change this. So CHKPTY. We got the cheese named correctly. The lettuce needs 2 T's. The tomato is okay. We need to add the fries. The hot dog. Dog bun. Where's that? Hot bun. Hot bun. Single burger patty cooked. It was now the single burger patty cooked is now the just BRG patty, and single rat dog cooked is now just the HD for hot dog. There we go. So chicken patty, burger patty, nice. All those are looking good. Perfect. Now, I think I can just copy this enum really, and or I could do game manager.fooditems.that if I wanted to. Should I do that? Sure. Yeah. Why not? So if I go back to my player now, in the inventory, whenever I add stuff, I should be adding these enums instead, I believe, and that should fix some of my issues and make me a smarter programmer. But who cares about that? It's not important. Sorry, I'm trying to load up some more shit. All right, there we go. So, we're not adding to our inventory on all of them. We just need to check where we are. So, looks like if we're... Okay, so these are all the griddle slots. I'm going to start condensing some of this stuff up here. So these are where we actually need to add stuff. If we're clicking on a slot, we won't be adding anything. If we're clicking on a griddle slot, we won't be adding anything. Burger bun, here's where we're starting to append shit. So, we're going to add the states into here instead. So, we'll say game manager dot, what is that? We called it, damn, what did we call it? Food items, there we go. Food items. And do we have auto completion? No, we don't, do we? Alright, fine. I'm bringing the enum into here then. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing it without auto completion. And is an enum that I make in here, is that going to have the same value if I copy and paste it? I think so, right? Yeah, should be fine. We don't even really need it in this class anyway. We don't even need it there. We only need it on the player because we're sending the information to the game manager. So we'll just get rid of it in the game manager because it's not important. Then we'll put it in the player. That makes more sense to me. So we'll slam that in right there, and then we'll have auto completion for it, I believe. So we'll say food items dot, what do we want? The burger bun. So we're going top bun And then we're also going to add the bottom bun. So I'll just grab this and we'll put it in here. And yeah, bot bun, bot bun, and then inventory.erase, and we'll say food items dot what was that, dog bun, yeah, DOGBUN, or hot bun. All right, there we go. Cool, so we just need to follow that type of pattern. So I can actually grab these right here and paste them in right here. Because this is just the inverse effect. Whenever we pick up the hot dog or whenever we pick up the buns, we get rid of the other bread item that we're holding. And so then I should just be able to do like food item dot onion and food item dot tomato. So that should do it. Food item dot tomato, perfect. Lettuce, food item dot lettuce, food items dot lettuce. Food items dot cheese. Awesome. So now we can do that down here too. Food items dot append. Oh wait, no. Dot what was this? BRG patty. And I'm gonna grab that. And we'll say CHK. We'll say CKY. Nice. Wait, which one am I erasing here? Single rat dog cooked. Oh, that's right, because we need to get rid of the rat dog as well. So I'm just gonna paste and then go HD for the hot dog. Cool. And I can pretty much just do the same thing here, except we want the hot dog. And here we want the burgers. So chicken patty will get you right in here. For some reason, I just had a memory of when I used to drink and I got super drunk with my friends, and then we all went to the... I was just hung over out of my mind, and we went and got a bunch of Chick-fil-A and ate it for like 2 hours. That was the worst day of my life, dude. That sucked so bad. Alright. Food items, chicken patty. So we'll throw this in here. Go, what? CHK, PTY. There we go. Single burger patty cooked. Control C, and we'll throw that in here. Food items dot burger patty cooked. All right, awesome. And then we'll just grab this one. Oh my god. All right, Control C, Control V. We're getting near the end here. Awesome. Cool. So that should be all of them, right? I think so. So now it's gonna look a little different. Let's see how stuff turns out. It probably won't work as well. Yeah, and then we go to the TV, so we say take order for items, and we load the textures, and the item name is not going to be the same, so we're going to have to change the name of the textures. So let's go to object and object textures and shit. This is a lot, but I promise you it is worth it for me not having to lose my mind every time I try and fucking do something here. It would be a pain if these were all named differently. So all we have to do is make the names match what we have in our player right up here. So Frozen, we're not worried about. We're not worried about any of these. We're worried about this right here. We're going to, can I just rename it? Rename, there we go. And what do we want to do? This looks like the top. Fun. All right, nice. So that's going to be annoying. It's going to be awful, but that's fine. Let's rename this one. What is that? Single burger patty? Not anymore. That is the BRGPTY, the burger patty. Nice, cool. So we're gonna have to go to the cheese. Cheese is fine. Nice, good job, cheese. Hot dog bun. We're gonna have to rename you. You are now hot bun. Hot cross buns. Don't forget it. Hot bun. Okay, and then what else do we need? Lettuce leaf. We're going to rename you. You can no longer be that pun. You have to actually be named what you are. We can't be what we want to be in this life. You are forced into it. So, nice. Now we need the hot dog. So we'll go single rat dog cooked. We're going to rename that to HD. HD. Nice. Fries. Where are you? Fries, you're good. You're golden. Tomato, golden brown actually. Top bun, we got that. Single burger patty cooked. Oh damn, I renamed the wrong one. That's gonna cause us problems, but you know what? That's fine. BRG PTY, right? PTY. Okay, where is that? Yeah, we need to rename this to burger patty. Single burger patty, I think. Single burger patty. Nice. And then this one is the one we need to rename because that one's actually cooked. So just BRGPTY. And then the chicken patty as well. Rename. What is it? CHK PTY. All right, perfect. Now that's everything, I think. Everything's looking good there. Yeah. We'll know if we have an issue. So yeah, let's give that a shot. Oh, we're going to have some issues for sure. Yeah, on these right here, where we're adding in stuff. So we're going to have to change. So that's where we get rid of stuff. Oh, damn, we forgot to get rid of stuff when we exit the inventory here. And I guess we need to go to the inventory and get rid of that as well. We need to make a thing for cut fries, I guess. Cut fries, and we'll put that in. Yeah, I guess we could do that. You know what? We'll just do we could do a simple bool here too, for right now. I think what I'll do is that because we can only have one thing in our fry slot, so we'll just do onReady var has fries, and we'll just set it and forget it, and fries equals false. Instead of adding this to my inventory, I can take that out because we shouldn't be giving the cut fries to the customer because they're not cooked. So we'll just do this has fries, and instead of checking our inventory and appending it whenever we well, that's our actual fry, but when we get the cut potatoes, we don't want to do that. We don't want to append it. We just want to say has we'll say has cut potatoes, my bad. Has cut potatoes equals true because we do have them. So has cut potatoes, we'll go back up here to has fries, we'll plug that in, and we'll get rid of that. Nice. So we have that, and then once we press the fry bucket, instead of erasing, we just need to get rid of that. So we'll say this Control V equals false, and we'll also, oops. And instead of inventory.has, we'll just say if has cut potatoes, because we would have to have them in order to use the fry later. So we'll just get rid of those right there, and perfect. And we just got to add this. So Control C, and we'll Control V, and Control V, and Control V, and there we go. And we got to, the texture should be fine for all those. I'm going to close these because they're fine. Okay, nice, there we go. All that should be fine. Computer collision, nice. Fry collision, perfect. What I need to do is change when we start picking up stuff, because they are going to have the wrong images now. So not the faucet. All right, here we go. Texture, these are all going to be wrong. So we just need to update them. I think this one was HD. That's fine. The chicken patty frozen, that one's going to be the same. Burger bun. Top bun texture. So where is that at? Okay, so we have these textures right here. Awesome. So I can just edit these, right? No. Let me go back down. Where am I adding on the texture to the player's inventory is what I'm asking, basically. Yeah, so here it is. So this one is going to be HD. HD. Single burger patty cooked is now going to be BRGPTY. Burger patty. Cheese is fine. Lettuce is now going to just be lettuce like that, right? How did I spell it? Lettuce. Like that. Tomato is fine. Onion is fine. Hot dog bun is now, I think it's just hot bun. So, all those should be good. What else do we need? Burger patty, cheese, lettuce, tomato, hot bun, and awesome. Cooked patty, cool. Oh, we might have to change this too. Well, no, we won't. Cool. We'll just call this CHK. There we go. All right. Anything look good? Anything look wrong? I think it all looks good to me. We also need to fix the frozen burger patty. Where is the... right here. I messed up that one. I named it something different. Where the hell is it at? Single burger patty.png is what I named it now, I think. No, that one is for this one. Yeah, let me make sure. There we go. All right. Yeah, that was fun stuff there. Okay, let's see if that works. Let's load the scene and give it a run. And it might, or it might crash. I have an idea where it might crash, but all right. It did not crash, and it actually showed some shit on the screen. That's pretty crazy. I didn't think that was going to happen. So let's see. Where is all your debugging coming from? You don't need that. Um, bottom bun texture. All right, cool, because those don't exist anymore. What are we going to do? Let's just bot bun. Or I think it's bun bot. Yeah, bot bun. No, what the fuck? Get out of here. What are you even doing? Oh my god, just where is it? I guess I didn't rename that one. I only have top bun. Where is it at? Hamburger bun top.png. Let me rename to, I guess, bot bun. I guess I got them backwards. It doesn't matter. Oh, shit, dude. Bot bun, there we go. And we'll go top bun. There we go. So that should work a little better. Let's give that a try. Alrighty. Okay, so hot dog bun still not showing up. I mean, the bun's still not showing up, and the hot dog not showing up. I'm gonna close some of these. Yeah. So we look at our TV. Let's take a look at our order list that we print. Hamburger bun, bottom, single rat dog, tomato. Okay, so that should not be happening. Where's our order list coming from? Let's go to player. Let's go to our game manager. And send order. So what did our player print out? Doesn't our player send let's do this. Let's go to our player script, wherever the hell that's at. There we go. Now whenever we click on the food altar, aren't we printing the player's inventory? Oh, we didn't do that. Nice. So this is when we first start up. Awesome. I didn't account for that. So we go to the game manager, and let's see, where are we? We'll close that. We don't need the snail stuff. We don't need that. I think it's in the ready. Take order, order one. So here's where we're getting our order from. Cool. I think that's actually on our TV script. That's my bad. Where is order one? Oh, it must be a variable in this. Sorry, I'm an idiot. So control F. Let's find order one here. That's why it's fucking up. But these are the same as the enums, so they should be okay. And I think we just won't include the order here. Yeah, we'll just say order. We'll do a count on here, basically. Right now we're just going to pass in 1 because it's going to be the first level anyway. But we'll just do a count whenever we do this. We'll just do like a, I'm going to go at on ready var level counter. So this will be an easy way to increase it and add more orders. We'll put it at 1 for right now. We'll just start on level 1 instead of starting at 0 because we're cool. Nice. So let's go to take order on our TV script. Forward. We're in the TV script, take order, order list. So we're just going to pass in num here instead, and then we'll say match num, and I'm just going to put 1, and we'll put that here, and then I'll make a variable up top of here that's order list, var order list, and we'll set that equal to, let's see, I guess we need some enums, so can we just copy and paste our enum from the player? If I just copy this and I put it in here, yeah, expected indented block. Oh yeah, that's right, we have to indent. Nice. So order list, let's go food items dot bot bun, we'll do top bun, top bun, shit, food items dot, I guess what do we do? We'll do a tomato, we'll do a burger, so food items dot brg burger patty, we'll give them some lettuce, so food items dot lettuce, and that should be it. And then we'll do well, fuck it, that should be fine for right now. We just want to test some basic stuff, so we'll save that. We got the order list. We'll run it. That should work a little better for us, so let's go ahead and try that. Order 1 is not declared in the current scope. Compare lists, order 1. Oh, that's right, because we're comparing them here. You know what, for now we're just going to say pass. We don't really need to compare them. Yeah, and we'll try that again. We'll probably have to write a brand new comparing function, so that'll be fun. Nice, cool. What is going on? Uh-oh. Between string and int. Where are we comparing a string and an int? Nodes.name equals item. Let's see, can I get the text value of this? How to get the text value of an enum. How to get the name of an enum in Godot. Alright, I'm trying to find some shit here. Okay, I think it's like this. If we're trying to compare it, so can we do food items? Item. Yeah, just like a dictionary, I guess. That's interesting. And then, can I convert this to a string? Right? Yeah, let me print that out, actually. I'll just do... Let me grab that. Control C. Print. Alright, now let's give that a go. We'll just wait 3 seconds and then it should either pass or fail. Print. What did it say? Invalid index 1 on base dictionary. I guess you cannot access it like a dictionary. Maybe I misunderstood. All right, let's look at this. Best way to print the name of an unnamed... What? That's not what I want, you fuck. Alright, that looks like a pain in the ass. I guess I could use a dictionary. Oh, can we use this? I saw this too. enum.keys. Expected expression as the function argument. Expected expression as the function argument. What does that mean? I guess this. How's it going, sleaze? I'm trying to mess around with some enums, but I know nothing about them. So, yeah, I guess one way around this that I saw from someone is to just make another thing. Damn, this would be great if I could just use like regular stuff. Like Python stuff. So I could do this. I basically need to... Oh, thanks, Mud Crabbo. Yeah, I basically need to check this if it's a string. So if I make this order, if I basically copy and paste this into this right here, I can check against it as a string. So that might be what I do is use a constant instead. That might be a better option. And then I just set it equal to the string of itself, I guess. Is that stupid? And yeah. I don't know. Let me just think this through a little bit. Probably not the best idea, but I can't return the string name of this enum for some reason. I guess not in the way I expected to. So now this is what's happening. Let me do this and that and this and that and that and that and that and that and that and this, and we'll just copy and paste them, and then maybe I can use this to check against instead of using the enum, because they'll still be in the same order. I guess this is a constant dictionary. No, this isn't going to work. This is not going to work at all. Yeah, it's actually not going to work. That was really stupid. I guess I could just put all of these into a list or something. I don't know. Yeah. So, I guess I should be checking against, I really should be checking against, some other thing. Well, I'll probably have to figure that out tomorrow just because it's getting so late. I didn't realize how late it was. But yeah, what we have for now, let's actually just hide that and we'll just see how we're going in the game. Just for some people, I guess, who haven't been here. But yeah, let me go and we'll just go to our game manager and hide that little section. Oh, not this one. Let me go to my fucking scripts. Game manager. And where are we initially sending the order? Yeah, we're just not going to send our order. And we'll take a look at what we've got. Alrighty. Shouldn't take that long to load, but yeah, so we've got our scene here. We've got a snail man that comes out of here. I forgot to even show those off, but they will come and eat our fries. We've got this this sink over here where we can defrost stuff. We've got this this grill over here where we can fucking grill shit. We've got the fry later working now. We have this terminal to cut our potatoes, so if we access it, we have to type in a phrase. The cake is a lie. And now we can cut our fries and exit out. Then we have our fries over here. So we can grab them and throw them into the fryer. And yeah, so we're going to have 4 orders up on the board up here. And once the orders are through, we will throw them on the altar. And we'll hit the Q and ring the bell. And that will cause that to go up into the ceiling. We're going to have a ceiling and everything. So yeah, that's going to pretty much be how the game works. We'll have a meat hammer so that we can either beat the snails or we can spray them with this shit. And yeah, I think that'll be good. And then we have this other scene over here with the goblin smashing area. Let me open that up. Goblin smashing area. So we have this idea over here, which is these are going to be to break up the monotony of the first scene. So you'll be in this maze and you have to chase down these goblins that we grind up into meat. Let's see, we got a goblin here. We're going to be grinding him up into meat where all these guys are going to be chasing you. So yeah, let's see if we can get this working. I think I have to hide my crossbow. Yeah, I've still got my crossbow active. Fuck. Let me see if I can hide that. Player camera. Let me hide all this shit. So we want to show our crossbow and we want to hide our spray. There we go. So let me control save and then I'll just go into our goblin smashing area real quick. So if I run this, yeah, kind of a wild concept. Yeah, but it's basically I'm trying to make it like a Metal Gear Solid type sneaking thing. Let me do this. Project settings, debug, visible collision shapes off. There we go. Nice. Oh yeah, Griffith. Yeah, so here's our goblin dude. And then we got I have this mini map so we can hit. Oh, our mini map is hidden right now. We can't use it. But we can load up our crossbow. We can shoot our goblin, which will cause him to run, and that alerts all the other guys that want to kill us. So they should be running from all over. You can see that one's coming. These guys are coming as well. But yeah, this will be the idea, as you have to go and get the meat for the burgers from the goblin. And I need to make his collision not collide with these guys. That's pretty funny. But yeah, so he just runs to a random location on the map every time we hit him or spook him. So if he sees us, he'll run to another random location. And yeah, I guess the idea would be to use stealth to just get past these guys or take out the demons one by one. It's not going to be super hard or super complex, just more of an exercise in game development. But then, let me kill this guy if I can. So we got him. Once he is dead, we can pick him up. You can see we're carrying him above us. So we then go out here and we throw him in here to make some meat. So yeah, kind of a crazy, wild idea, but that's what we're doing right now. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for me for tonight. I still got to go to work tomorrow. So yeah, everyone have a great one. I'll see you tomorrow. But later.